First alert forecast talking about what's next. We've had a cloudy start to the day, but we're going to see some clearing this afternoon. It's led to a somewhat mild start. It's still cold out there, but we didn't see the 30s that we saw yesterday morning. And this afternoon, temperatures are going to be a bit warmer. We're headed to the mid 70s before we see a cool off tomorrow. Decreasing clouds. It's mostly cloudy still in parts of the valley right now, but we'll see mostly sunny skies by the afternoon hours. This is a look at some clearing we're starting to see in Flagstaff where it's 22 degrees. Let's look ahead to the weekend. We're almost there. Flagstaff, you're going to be at about 50 for a high today. Cooler tomorrow, then warming back up a little for the weekend. A little bit of off and on wind up there, especially today, and then again Saturday into Sunday. A couple of storms that are going to swing by north of Arizona, but high country communities like Flagstaff, Payson, Sedona, you get wind out of these. And some clouds. 57 today in Payson, 53 tomorrow, back to the upper 50s Saturday. Sedona, low 60s to mid 50s, back to the low 60s, and then we've got the Grand Canyon. You're going to see that same drop. That's for the South Rim. How about here in the valley? Our hiking planner for today, some changes to tell you about. Temperature wise, really nice. 50s right now. Will be in the upper 60s by lunchtime, and then 75, warming it up really nicely today. The change I want to tell you about that I want to first alert you to is the air quality. Now this is a live look with cloudy skies and a little bit of a brown cloud you can kind of see developing here over the Valley metro area. We've actually had a high pollution watch issued ahead for Saturday, meaning we may be looking at a high pollution advisory for Saturday. And for today and tomorrow, we've got no burn days just issued for Maricopa County. So air quality right now, we're in the moderate category for coarse and fine particles. But again, today and tomorrow, no burn days. We don't want to make it worse out there. We've got light winds and kind of stagnant weather conditions, some off and on cloud cover, but no rain and not a lot of wind for the valley. Now this system approaching here from the northwest, we're not going to get in on any of that rain or snow, but this sweeping by to the north is what's going to bring those breezy conditions I talked about to high country spots. Looking ahead, let's look ahead to next week and the week after, where we will be celebrating the holidays. We've got warm weather on tap. This is above average temperatures, very likely for all these areas here in Orange. It's about a 50% chance of above average temperatures. Average for Phoenix, by the way, would be mid 60s. So that's for next week. Let's look ahead to the following week, going right up to Christmas Day, and even higher probability, about a 60 to 70%